Hi guys, my name is Eric. Thank you so much for coming if this is your first time. If you are returning, thank you for returning again. For my new people, I usually post on YouTube every day, unless I don't have time. And then what I will be trying to do though is record 7 videos in one day, so I have something to upload. And then the next week I can film 7 more, and then kind of just keep doing that. Because I've been kind of slacking with these videos, so I do apologize for that. I do intend to post every day though. So hopefully you will join this YouTube cult going on here. Um, but yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm back for the last and third look. Um, I was gonna do, no, I am gonna do cut crease, but I'm thinking about doing, um, mm, let's see, high, high inception, but I was thinking about doing. Honestly, I can't even figure it out. Oh, you know what? This shit would actually be kind of cool. Cause I already did that. Well, maybe that. I'm not a fan of the glitter though. Besides, this stains the body. I think this was his first time trying like a glitter formula, but I think I want to do something with the Cullinan shade, that, and then ice tray. Maybe I should do like an all matte, or not all matte, an all shimmer. Maybe that'd be pretty cool. Let's see. Let me study this. Ooh, okay. So I want to do this for sure. Oh my god. His metallics are literally so silky. You see that? Oh my god. That one's the Cullinan one, but Ice Tray is my baby. Oof. It's like a denim blue. Let's see. Hmm. I honestly have no idea. I don't understand this wealthy shade. It's like so pale. I guess you can use it as like a brow bone highlight. I don't know what to do. Okay, so what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is just use. I want to see. So I think I want to do. It's kind of hard to see because but I want to use this shade. What is it? Untouchable. It's like a baby pink. Maybe if I want to do that throughout the crease, it's very light, so I'm gonna have to go super heavy. Maybe I should go in with minty. I'm gonna go with minty in the crease, and then I'm gonna cut the crease, and then I'm gonna put Cullinan ice tray. This sounds like a plan. Okay. Go time. Go time, boys. So, let's go in with this. Super fluffy. I think it's a M4, M441. First we gotta prime our eyes, of course. There's a little bit of elf. Let's pop that right on the lid. Spread it with your finger. This makes life easier. It spreads really easy. Like, I have the pink pot, but like, that one's kind of thick. Oh my god, my eye hurts. And I've only done 3. Oh my god. Ooh. Freaking burns. Okay. Let's do. Oh my god, why is there blue? Do you see that? I have blue on my eyebrow. Okay, let's just. Green. Honestly, that's kind of weirdly pigmented. For something this light, I did not think it was gonna be like that. That's like stunning. It's such a beautiful matte. Blend. Wow. Love. Wow, that's really good. Oh, I don't know why I looked over here like it was a mirror. Oh, okay. So, let's do this. Well, actually, no. Okay, here we go. What is this? A Morphe 124 brush. I think it's. I don't know what it's used for, honestly. I just put it on the back of my hand so I can pick it up. I remember seeing somewhere on Instagram that using a dirty concealer brush is honestly the easiest way to cut your crease. So, let's see if they're right. I like to just like smear it like that. And then you just look around. Just gotta make sure your eyelid goes up. And then you can kind of see a line. And then you can just fill in. This primer is not made for a cut crease. That's for sure. I think it's just like too sheer. It's wonderful for priming the eye though. Okay. Now that I got that, I have it kind of cut. Then I'm gonna go in with this. I think it's the same brush. Yeah, the 1, 2, 3, 4. But this one is dry. I don't know what I use it for, but there's like green on it, so I'm just gonna wipe away the green. Okay. And I'm gonna use this to pick up the shimmers, only because they're gonna be so close to like my eye. So I think I'm gonna do this Cullinan first. Dude, these shades, these metallics pick up so good on a freaking brush. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with Ice Tray. Ooh. I'm gonna go back into Cullinan just to make the white pop out more, because I feel like the Ice Tray really like brought it down. So hmm. Mm, so I wanna do. I really want to make that line more defined. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna see if I can take Crystal Flash just on the tip of the brush and kind of just like stamp it. No, it's not working. Oh, yeah, it kind of worked. Yeah, so it like helps create a line. Okay. Oh my gosh, why am I really loving this? Love. Perfect. I did not think that this was gonna do that. I don't know if I want to do anything on the lower lash line. Maybe let's just do... Let's do this effect. Why do I weirdly like that? But I guess this is the third look. Let's take a little... How's that? Can you tell? Well, let me turn down the light. I really like this top area, this bottom part. I don't know, but pretty snazzy. If there's any recommendations of palettes that you guys want to see me do 3 kinds of looks on, let a boy know, because I love buying makeup palettes. So, deuces. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found this video like beneficial at all, like if it helped you make any decisions on your purchases or anything. If you want, you can find me on Twitter at ericquezada24053, Snapchat at ericquezadaQ24053, the same one, Instagram ericnerd, and TikTok ericquezada8, and I'll have it all listed down below too. And I will see you guys in the next video. See you later.